friends, I have just got home from work, hence this lovely get up. Let's see if I can't do a cool YouTube transition. Kitty, you ruined my transition. Oh, shush up on yourself. Okay. Okay, yes, I am wearing the same pants as I was in the last video, but they have been washed. Don't judge me. And when you find something you love, especially trackies, oh my God. Oh, this Kmart top, this is like vintage Kmart. It is even before they've gone to the Anko brand. So have a look at this. This is the Active & Co. Is that even like a thing at Kmart anymore? Anyway, let me sit down with you guys. So hi, hello. Welcome if you are new. My name is Kendra Wilson. And if you have been here before, hello, how are you? I thought I would just show you the state of my pottery room at the moment because it's a bit of a schmozzle, and also some of the fun things that I've been working on. So let me show you around. Okay, just excuse Sunny, always wherever I am. But this is the pottery room at the moment. Oh, normally the tripod is not chilling there, but I was filming a reel. If you are looking for some beautiful bath salts or just some gifting items for someone special in your life, go check out this beautiful company, Pure Scent Co. I will put their details in the description box below because they're just beautiful. I pop them in my bath. And they also have a range of lip balms and rollers as well, and they're just beautiful. So yeah, I just need to pack away some things, tidy up my desk because it's a shocker, and yeah, clean up the room. Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. Have a look at this. This is so cute. This is what I got for Mother's Day. Thank you for cheering me up. You're the best at making chais. Look, I'm making a chai. You always help me do my shoelaces up. Love you because you give me tickles. In the shadows, you cry for help. This one's seen better days. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. Okay, we are looking much cleaner and neater and organized. All sorted here, all nicely cleaned here. I've put my turntable up here, or my banding wheel, because it's got a little rubber base and it keeps sticking to my table and it like really suctions on. So I'm going to leave it here until I'm building, and then I'll obviously pop it back here. And then I've just organized my shelves here as best as possible. Look, they're not great. These ones are some items that I have glazed. These are just all test spoons with test glaze on them. This is for my beautiful sister-in-law. She requested a booby mug, so I obliged. Can't wait for that to come out of the glaze, actually. And then these ones have come out of the bisque fire. I've got 2 different sorts of clays here. This was my older speckled style. This one is a Keen Stoneware 7. So I'm just trying this one out at the moment. And I've got some other bits and bobs. That one was actually from my last bisque fire. Look at the difference in the colour though. Like, that is really 10. Look, these are the same clays. And then, yeah, I haven't done anything else yet with these are my drying racks and then ready to bisque rack, and I haven't built anything new yet, but I'm excited. I feel like my battery on my phone is going to die in any second, so I apologise. I just wanted to share some thoughts about my pottery and things, some tips and advice. So I am now going to be using bottles of water with a lid up here because I've noticed that my naughty cat keeps drinking the water whenever I leave it up here, which is probably bad on my behalf because I don't clean it out. Also super vital when you are working with clay, because it is no good lighting because I'm doing this at night time. Shocking. Because you work with clay, you get messy, so it's always good to have a towel handy. I keep my towel just chilling on the armrest of my chair, so I can just wipe my hands, wipe my brushes whenever I need. And also keep a book and a notepad with you at all times so that you can write down all your ideas and all the things that you want to do. So I've got like this whole notepad just full of different things. So if you don't already, go and follow me on Instagram. That's where I post all my pottery things on there. And I'm also in the process at the moment of possibly opening a shop. I'm just really looking into what would be the best option for me, really. Whether I go down like Etsy, the Etsy route, or maybe Shopify or Square or Squarespace or Wix or GoDaddy. There's so many available. It's really, yeah, it's a massive industry. So if you have some expertise or any advice to give me on which way I should go for my e-commerce shop, please send me all the tips and all the advice. Anyway, that's it for today. I shall see you next Thursday for an exciting video, and I hope you're all well.